Hello, this is Bizia Tamang and this is my mobile application project demo. We'll start from the Quadrants app first. So this is the main activity of the Quadrants folder, and this is where the app starts, and this is where we store every country information. So this is the data class, and this is the column and row division, and this is the flag cell where we display every single flag here. And this is a preview function. So after running the app, it works fine. So now we'll then go to affirmations. So this is the code for affirmations app. We have model here, we have data source here, and this is the main activity. This is the main entry point of the app, and this is the main screen. And this is the root composable that loads all affirmation data. It has modifiers and on-show toast, where when we click it still stays. And this is a single affirmation clickable card. When we click it, the image will show. So I'll first run it and then show. This is where we scroll vertically, where we can see everything like this. And when we click on it, there is this toast over here. And if we click on it and we unclick it, it still shows over there. So this is the affirmations app. And then we have the Woof app. Let us first run it over here. So this is the main activity of the Woof app. This is the UI that is shown when the app is launched. This is the main screen of the app. So it has both dark mode and light mode. We have handled both. So in dark mode it is like this. So in light mode it is like this. While when we go to dark mode, so when we on the dark theme, it changes to this theme. We have used the theme from here for light mode and then for dark mode. Okay. Now we will switch to cupcakes. So the code for the Cupcake app is right here. We have order UI state. We have select options screen where you can select what cupcakes we're going to buy, all the options. This is the order view model, which holds and manages all the cupcake orders. Here we can choose the flavor, we can choose the toppings, we can choose the pickup date over here so it views everything. And this is the start order screen where we first get in there, and this is the summary screen where we show the final summary of the cupcake of what we have ordered. This is the order UI state. This is the data source where there is flavor, there is topping options where we have put everything, or we can choose from the list. So let's order one cupcake with a salted caramel and one topping, and we can choose the pickup date, and this is the summary. And that is all for the Cupcake app. Now let's switch to Student app. So while the Gradle is syncing, this is my Student app. So here in the data there are two databases, admin DAO and quiz DAO, and there's a quiz database also. This is the questions. It has all the questions in the assets folder. It's in the JSON folder. And so here's the home screen. These are the themes, and this is the summary screen, home screen, quiz screen. Okay. Here's the view model, here's the repository, and here's the model. So we start from home screen. This is the home screen. It displays 4 hard-coded quiz topic loaded from the JSON file, and it is right over here in the assets folder. And activity and intent, jetpack, compose, Kotlin, and view model and room. Below this you can see the view history. There's view history and admin buttons. The topic list is built using a lazy column which only composes the items currently visible on screen rather than all items at once, making it more efficient than a regular column from scrollable list. So let me show you what that is. So here, this is what I'm talking about. Here in the home screen, you can see the lazy column with the topic buttons. Admin created topics appear in a separate section below, and these all came from the room database rather than the JSON file. So after we create admin topic here, it will start here. And so in the quiz screen, when we take the quiz, tapping a topic loads to a 10 shuffled questions from the JSON file via the quiz repository and starts the quiz. Each question is displayed inside a card with 4 answer options. So now when I select the answer, the next button appears. The select option highlights in the primary color. This is driven entirely by state from the quiz view model. There is no local state in this composable. Everything comes from the stateflow fields collected using collect as state. So here's the quiz view model if you want to see. The previous button lets user navigate back. When going back, the previously selected answer is restored from the user's app map. So answers are preserved as we move through the quiz. So let's do the quiz really quick so we can go to the results screen. So here is the summary screen, or results screen. So after finishing the app navigates, after finishing the quiz, the app navigates to the summary screen. You can see the final score and a color-coded breakdown of every question, green for correct and red for incorrect. For wrong answers, both the correct answer and the user's answer are displayed. So when I'm navigating here, pop-up 2 is used to remove the quiz from the back stack. Without this, pressing back from the summary would return the user to the last question of a completed quiz, which is not the intended behavior. So here we can use view history. The history screen shows all the past quiz attempts. Each card displays the topic, date, and score. This list is a lazy column observing a flow from the room database when a new result is inserted after quiz completion. This screen updates automatically with no manual refresh. So we also have a drop-down filter option. Tapping the filter icon opens a drop-down menu, allowing results to be filtered by topic. This is powered by FlatMap latest in the view history view model. When a topic is selected, it cancels the previous database query and subscribes to a new filtered one reactively. So here we can see it working. And then, so here is the view history model code. Here we can see the FlatMap latest operator. The result flow switches automatically based on the selected topic. The UI just observes one flow regardless of whether a filter is active. So here is the history details screen also. The details screen shows the topic, score, and the date in the header, fetched from database using by result ID from the database. Each answer card is color coded, green with the green color for the correct and red for the incorrect. For wrong answers, both correct and incorrect is shown, of course. So here's the view history detail. The answers are loaded using a launched effect that runs when the screen first appears with the result ID. Launched effect is used here because get answers for result is a suspended function that must be called from a coroutine. It can't be called directly in a composable. So let's go back. Okay, so now here is the admin panel. The admin user and password is hard-coded. And here is the login screen for admin. So after we sign in, we'll go to the admin dashboard. The admin button navigates to a login screen. So all credentials are validated in admin view model. The username is admin and the password is admin123. Login state is held in a state flow and the screen navigates to the dashboard automatically when it is logged in. So here is the manage topic screens where this is handled. So here's the manage topic screens. It leads to a topic management and we can add new topic using this new topic name text field over here, and existing topic also appears over here and we can also delete it and create it. So let's say fruits. We can add a topic and then we can add questions over here. Is mango sweet? Yes. No. Maybe. Or could be. We can add a question and then we can also be done with it, and we can even edit the question. So we can edit it like this. Could not be, and we can save the changes and we can also be done with it. We can continue if you want. So here in the admin database, we can see the full CRUD operation: insert, update, and delete, and a custom query to delete all questions for a topic before deleting the topic itself. This two-step deletion prevents orphaned records remaining in the database. So here is the custom topic screens for admin. So when we go back to home, here is the topic we just created. The custom topic we just created appears in the custom topic section. Tapping it loads the question that we just added before. It gets the question from room via get questions as quiz format in the admin view model. So here's the admin view model. And it converts them into standard question format, and as we start the quiz, it starts the same way as the Johnson based topics over here in the assets folder. So let's go, and yeah, here it loads the same. Okay, now to summarize, the app demonstrates in like 3 view models: room, database, persistence, with full CRUD reactive UI using Kotlin Flow and Stateflow Jetpack; compose declarative UI with recomposition, lazy lists, JSON serialization, nav host navigation, with backstack management and the Android single activity cycle. The app also goes beyond the proof with edit and delete functionality, confirmation dialogues, and drop-down topic filter. Thank you so much.